years ago, I didn't give a shit about cars, and I didn't own a car. My husband didn't own a car. Nobody that I knew. My brother owned a car, but it was a Tesla, or it is still a Tesla. Since then, I started watching a channel called Project Nigel, and from Project Nigel, my husband bought a car. And it appears now I do give a shit about cars. It's a bit scary. How did that happen? On a cold November day, I am out here helping, in inverted commas, my husband do something with a pollen filter. Something like that. And there was something to do with the heat resistor. Yeah. I'm standing in front of the car in question, whose name is Rodney. He's a Rover 25, and he feels lovely to sit in.
Do it by hand.
As we can see, Fagin appears to be working on his car.
Fagin?
The fingerless gloves!
Oh, yeah.
Got a bigger pocket or two.
Now this wire in the way, I've got to see if I can... I should really get out the car and do this, but I think that pops. I don't want to break it.
You might have to get out of the car and
Yeah,
floor.
I'll get out and look. I can't really see. So I don't have instructions manual. Oh, there you go. I think that's what's part of it.
What's that? Oh, what's on your phone?
Ooh, it's sticky.
Is it clean?
Oh,
What?
it's all falling out. Got no hoover. Hang on.
Oh, I see. Yes, it's a cartridge.
Yeah.
Okay. Like you have on the Hoover.
Right, I think I might be able to get this out. Ready? Oh, bugs in it.
Oh. Oh, lovely.
Just an improved. It looks improved. It's not the same. It is the same. Yeah. Right. Ideally, oh, I'm gonna have to get a brush to clean it out. I've got a little brush I can get in there. Don't have a Hoover. Really need a little dust buster, don't I?
Yes.
Just shake the bits out. It's not that bad actually in there.
That's all just going to be loose debris from you removing the filter.
Don't know what's in there.
Let's not worry about that at the moment.
It doesn't matter which way round it goes.
No, it looks double-sided.
Right. New filter going in.
Ta-da!
And this thing, which is very... That's alright. That way up. I think. In.
Bloody hell! Andrew did a thing.
Originally, speeds 1 and 2 weren't working, 3 and 4 were, and obviously research, it's something to do with the resistor that's under the glove compartment. So I've got a new one, upgraded version, put that in, and now it works.
Which was...
So I'll show you now, take that. There. This is the heater resistor. That's what I plugged into it. 1 and 2 on the heater here. They work now, but they didn't before. So yeah, that's good.
Yay!
The plastic cuff window's gone, and they keep opening it up to. I could have just got it. I need to get rid of that.
That's like having a door with no glass.
Yeah.
Like a glass door with no glass, and still opening the frame.
This is old. I've had this for since the 90s.
Oh, when you had your Fiesta?
I think so. Or when I got the Escort. I can't remember. It's a long time. It was definitely before I met you in 99.
Oh, definitely before the Escort then.
True. It might have been around the same. Was it around the same? No, I might have got it for the Escort. But it was 99 or before.
Lucky lady.
Yes.
Anyway,
right,
rude jokes aside.
Now this has got to go upwards through here. Like that. Now do it by feel. There's the I wonder if I can get the one. Right, I think it's in. In. All done, fixed. That's the heater resistor and pollen filter sorted.
Fabulous. Well done. I wasn't even recording.